Hey, good morning, everybody. Today's assignment is something I really wish that we were in the classroom for. I know that you guys have learned a lot about the Holocaust over the years in a lot of different ways. Many of you guys have read the Diary of Anne Frank. I know in elementary school you learn a lot about it. It's World War II. We're going to learn a little bit about the Holocaust. I don't focus on it quite so heavily because I do know that you learn about it in a number of other classes. You will learn about it a little bit more next year in 10th grade history. But I can't teach about World War II and not cover anything about the Holocaust. Today's assignment, like many things when you learn about the Holocaust, it's kind of a sensitive video. There's some graphic images in it compared to a lot of the videos that you would see out there about the Holocaust. It's pretty mellow, kind of tame, but there is still some sensitive imagery in it. So just be aware of that. The video I really do like a lot. It tells the story of a woman by the name of Eva Mozes. She and a twin sister were victims of Nazi experience. The Nazis themselves were particularly well known during the Holocaust to, beyond just executing and exterminating people, they like to use their Jewish captives as guinea pigs and perform experiments on them. And Eva was one of the victims of those experiments. Some of the Nazi doctors believe that twins were excuse me. Um, the Some of the Nazi doctors believed that twins were the perfect source of experimentation because it was easy to compare and contrast treatment that they would receive. So when she would get to her concentration camp, the fact that she was a twin was, quite frankly, something that the doctors at the camp were quite interested in. So your assignment is simple. Watch her video and answer my questions.